Okay, today we will introduce this one, hair regrowth laser. First, let's see all these parts. The first part is the hair growth laser. We have this solution inject gun, the high frequency brush, the phototherapy camera, and the laser brush. And all these parts are adjustable. Here, we can adjust like this. Like this. Also this part can adjustable. Like this. And okay, let's use the first treatment. Here we can adjust the power, the treatment time, and the frequency. Click here to start. Next, we will use this phototherapy brush. Also, it can adjust the power, treatment time, and the mode. We use this brush to stimulate the hair growth. Click here to start. We use this low voltage electronic to stimulate the hair growth. The next is this one, high frequency brush. Click here to adjust the energy and the treatment time. Then you can start. Next, we will use this oxygen spray. Usually, we will inject the hair growth solutions into this container. Then we can inject into our head skin. Click here to start. Unplug this container. Then we can add in the water. Install like this. And last part is the testing camera. You can adjust the treatment time, then you can start. Click the middle button to start the monitor. Then we can check the situation of our head skin. Here is the menu. We can adjust the parameters. This is our testing camera. At the back, it has two buttons. The first one, you can catch the screen. The last one, you can zoom in and zoom out. Here, we can see our skin situation. Click here to catch the screen and lose. Click here to zoom in and zoom out.